this video, we're going to talk about Tableau Public. And Tableau Public is really important, especially if you're looking for jobs, whether it's like freelancing or if you're actually applying for a job. There's a huge benefit it has. I don't know how many people really use it to their advantage for that reason, and I'm going to explain to you exactly why it's important. Let's get into our dashboard. So I'm here on Tableau Public with the visualization that we created, and I can publish this online. I can publish it to Tableau Public Online. Let's go into Tableau Public first, and I'll give you like a little bit of a tour. So I'm going to open a incognito mode. Main reason is because I already have an account, so this will show you what it looks like. So if I just type in Tableau Public, and I'll provide links in the description of this video anyway. I'm just going to click on this first one. And you're going to come to this page. What you want to do is you want to sign up. Let me just make the text bigger. I'm an old man. All right. We have these sign up buttons. So you go ahead and click that. Put your details in. Again, I've already done this, so I'm not really going to do it again. Instead, I'm going to log in and then I'm going to show you kind of my profile. Back in a second. Here we are on my profile. And the first thing you will notice is I look very different without a beard. You can see here. That was a little while ago, but it's been a while. I clean up pretty good, especially when I got a suit, but that's besides the point. What I'm going to do once I'm here in Tableau Public, if you hover over your face, you're going to see my profile. If you click on that, it's going to bring you here, and in your one, because you just created it, you'll have nothing in here. It's a good idea for anything you create, whether it's like you've just started, like even throughout this course, every time you build something, publish it here. Two things. Number one is it tracks your progress. So you can actually see, when you first start in Tableau, how you created visualizations. When you, like, let's say a year later, 2 years later, and the things you can create. Like, I mean, let me bring back that dashboard. This is the stuff I would have been creating within the first month of my Tableau when I was like learning on my own. And then as you get better, you start to get a bit more creative. So let me show you this one I just did. It was published on my YouTube channel, Jellyman Education. And this was just to show that it's not just bar chart, and then it's all squared up. You can take it to, you can make it quite artistic. And there's heaps of things you can do. And so you've got that. You can track your progress. You can also use this to when you need ideas. So you want to visualize something and you go, oh yeah, how did I visualize that type of data? Come back in here and you're like, oh, there it is. Now I know how to go about it. And when you open it up, just wait for this, you'll see this button at the top. So you can actually download the workbook again and go and check how you constructed it. So that is a huge advantage. Employers will also look here. So for example, you're applying for jobs. One of the things that people do, let's say you're HR or whoever it is, one of the first things they do is they Google you. They're going to Google it. They're going to put your name, Jed Guinto, and then see what comes up. And they're trying to check for a digital presence. Statistically, I have heard that that is the first thing that they do. Before they really get into your resume, into your cover letter, and all that stuff, they are going to check your digital presence. So imagine, let's say I'm an employer, and I'm like, all right, who is this guy or girl? And I go to Tableau Public, it's like, damn, look at all the visualizations. You don't need to tell me in a resume it's like expert level skills in Tableau. I can see your skills. I can see that, if I'm a programmer, I'm like, man, that is advanced stuff. Not everyone can do that. And from there, I already have an idea of what I'm getting as a employee. All right, going back into Tableau Public, the way you publish it to the cloud, once you've set up your account, is to go File, Save to Tableau Public As. So let's click that. And we're going to give this a name. Let's go My Most Colorful Dashboard. And we're just going to go Save. That's going to connect to the cloud. It's going to go through Singapore into some underground tunnel. Maybe you'll go through France, have a croissant and the signals and all that kind of stuff. Eventually, your browser will open all the way back to where you live. And there you have it. This is now publicly available. So please make sure that if you are going to be publishing stuff here, do not publish anything that's privacy marked. If you have customer information, like from your company and stuff, that is protected, and it's got privacy laws all around it. Be very careful. This is publicly available. Anyone can access this data. They can actually just click here, click on this button, go full data, show all columns, and they can extract all your data sets. So if you have phone numbers in here or anything like that, it's gone. All right, be very, very careful about doing that. There we have it in here. And if you click here on the bottom, you can add some information, where it's from, links, your name, all that kind of stuff. So I'm not going to get into that. That is how you do it in Tableau Public, the tool, which is this one. In the Tableau Desktop edition, it's a little bit different. So this is Tableau Desktop. If I go File, you'll see that there is no save as to Tableau Public. That is because it's here in Server. So you go Server, Tableau Public, save to Tableau Public as, and it's the exact same thing after that point. That is how you use Tableau Public. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you at the next video. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to learn the entire Tableau platform, consider enrolling into my course. It's one of the highest ranking courses on Udemy, and enrolling today, you'll be joining the almost 200,000 students that have enjoyed my courses over the years. Thanks again for watching, and hope to see you in the course.